So I came across this useful information on CDC website, and the plot is great, but I just wanted to make a bigger plot for myself. So I decided to use ChatGPT. So first thing I did was that I downloaded the data. So opened my ChatGPT account, and here on this plus sign, I decided to go ahead and upload that data that I just downloaded. So here is the data, and of course you can use Excel to make a beautiful time plot, but I'm just going to go ahead and give this prompt to ChatGPT. Okay, so here we have the file uploaded, and I went ahead and gave those prompts that I showed you. Now it's working on it, and it should, I hope, give me a downloadable file that I can hover on. So here is the file. I'll download it and open it in Chrome. Now the plot is beautiful, but these values are not in order. So I'm going back and adding this problem that we had. So it thought for 7 seconds, and then I have a new file. Let's see how that looks like. So now looks like we got it right for comparison, and here is 2024 up to that point. And if you want, you can ask it to keep the minimum at 10,000 if you want a better comparison.